Discover the best day trips from Nashville with this comprehensive guide. Uncover hidden gems, historic sites, and picturesque landscapes just a short drive away. Perfect for your next escape.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Engage in a 1-hour Segway tour of Music City, an event brimming with entertainment opportunities. Start with a 30-minute training session before embarking on a 60-minute journey throughout the city. Enjoy panoramic views from a local guide who shares invaluable insights and knowledge. Explore various landmarks during your ride, including the Ascend Amphitheater, Schermerhorn Symphony Center, Country Music Hall of Fame, Bridgestone Arena, Ryman Auditorium, and the Music City Center. Glide through the bustling heart of Music City, making this tour ideal for beginners, those on a tight schedule, or visitors seeking a brief yet memorable experience. On this guided walking tour through downtown Nashville, visitors will encounter a myriad of intriguing historical sites and cultural landmarks. Led by an expert local guide, participants will delve into the rich tapestry of Nashville's heritage, exploring its musical legacy, architectural wonders, political dynamics, and much more. Key destinations along the itinerary include renowned establishments such as Broadway Honky Tonk and the iconic Ryman Auditorium. The tour traverses various neighborhoods, offering insights into the lives of past inhabitants who were once known for their mischievous behavior or those who found themselves behind bars. Dive into the heart of Nashville's vibrant nightlife, exploring its legendary cocktail culture while uncovering the hidden depths of its haunting past during an exclusive ghostly pub crawl. This thrilling adventure promises a night brimming with chilling tales and sipping on spirits from some of the city's most infamous bars and venues. Begin your journey by joining your expert guide at Skull's Rainbow Room, where a notorious murder case left behind a spectral figure adorned in dazzling jewelry. Embark on a tour through 6 chilling locations, each one more spine-chilling than the last. Navigate the eerie atmosphere at the Ryman Auditorium, where the legend of Crowfoot's revenge has been passed down through generations. Experience the vibrant heart of Nashville, known as the home of country music, with a guided hop-on hop-off trolley tour. Embark upon this enriching journey, which encompasses the bustling district, where one can indulge in world-class shopping, exquisite dining, and captivating entertainment options. Begin your exploration at the iconic Old Town Trolley, equipped with expertly narrated commentary that unveils hidden gems such as the renowned Country Music Hall of Fame and Museum, the stunning Parthenon, and the historic Bicentennial Capitol Mall. Join us for a dynamic line dance workshop tailored specifically for both children and adults. Engage in course features a selection of popular country music tunes performed live in the vibrant city of Nashville. Under the guidance of our experienced instructors, participants will embark on a journey of mastering intricate routines step by step. Upon arrival, we invite you to participate in a relaxed introductory session where you can familiarize yourself with the environment and interact with fellow learners. Following this, we introduce a foundational line dance designed to ease into the rhythm and prepare everyone for more complex movements ahead. Embark on a unique exploration of Nashville from an alternative perspective aboard this one-way, downriver kayak journey. Dedicated shuttle vans will transport you from downtown to the picturesque Shelby Park launch site, where we provide comprehensive training before launching into the serene Cumberland River. During your leisurely 3-mile-hour-long paddling expedition, take advantage of the opportunity to immerse yourself fully within the urban landscape of Nashville. Witness the abundant wildlife such as turtles and great blue herons that inhabit the riverbanks, and marvel at the magnificent river commerce infrastructure that sustains the vibrant city. Embark on an exhilarating adventure through the enchanting heart of Nashville, where every corner promises a unique glimpse into this southern gem. Embarking upon a leisurely journey aboard a spacious tractor, one will capture the essence of the city's top attractions with ease, including Broadway, Bicentennial Park, and Marathon Village. Step back in time by rolling along the bustling streets of downtown Nashville, experiencing the chic allure of the Gulch and the lively atmosphere of the Midtown District. Alongside these experiences, take in the serene beauty of Bicentennial Park and the creative spirit of Marathon Village, each offering a distinct perspective of Nashville's rich heritage.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.